Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this very short tutorial, I want to show you how you can filter your dataset by labels or by metadata. So for example, you have a dataset with a bunch of labels. Let's zoom in a bit. And for example, let's say I want to filter by a specific label. Let that be airplane. I can just click here on the left and I only have images of airplanes. Or I can filter by apple, for example, or by bat, or by banana. So whatever I want, and I can even filter by multiple labels at the same time. So for example, fruits, let's say apple, banana. Let's add one more. For example, let's add a donut. It's not a fruit, but still, you get the point. So yeah, you can filter by multiple labels at the same time as well. And in addition to filtering by labels, you can also filter by metadata. So oftentimes you have your images with different metadata attached. In my case, I have here width and height, and I can just easily change on the slider here. And for example, see only the images that are of a certain width and height. So yeah, that's all for this very short tutorial, and see you in the next one. Bye.